time to light up. Y'all know what it is.
Finna run to the store and grab a pack of White House. Them optimals burn slow, they calm me right down. Garcia Vegas, I keep them rolling papers. Dealer stay on deck, plus my job cut me a check. You be smoking that stress, don't pass that shit my way. Only smoke the best, don't need no more headaches. Them sticks, nigga, them C's, nigga, don't act like this OG, nigga. Know the streets, y'all keep that spray. Tennis loud, but
Hey, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to No Grandma Glamma. Hey, I'm a Glamma. So, this beauty supply look. This is one of the wigs I'm still making. I'm not finished with this wig, but I can tell this wig gonna be beautiful. I'm not finished. Bear with me. Give me some. Be patient with me. Give me some time. We've been hectic, around here with my own janitorial business and stuff like that. But yeah, this is the look I came up with, the beauty supply look. Everything looked gorgeous, from the eyebrows to the foundation to everything to the brushes I use. So if you're interested in how I achieved this look, keep watching. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to No Grandma Glamma. Hey, I'm a Glamma. So today is going to be a beauty supply makeup tutorial. Everything on my face will be beauty supplies, everything, and the brushes. What do I have on my eyebrows? I have, this is, I don't know if to say Love or what to say. It's this Brush Soap Brown eyebrow gel. I don't have nothing at the top. And the pencil I use to outline was LA Color Brownie Wowie. And this color is in dark. So yes, let's get started on this beauty supply tutorial. So of course I'm gonna start with my eyes. I have several palettes here. Hey, my camera stopped working, but the concealer that I'm using is for LA Pro Girl in medium beige. So let's start with this palette first. This is called, it's a Perfusion. Yeah, I didn't know Perfusion was at the beauty supply. So I have an eyeliner in there and up there on brush in there, and this booklet shows you how to apply eyeshadow. Let's go on to that white right here. I'm using this Wet n Wild brush. So I'm going to this deep purple right here, put it in my crease. Let's go into this Nikika K. This is 23 Perfect Matte Colors. Let's take this Beauty Treat brush with this E04 brush, and let's hit this orange right here. I'm also going to blend that onto that purple. Let's go into this Amuse. Go into this chocolate brown here. Add this to my inner V. Using the same Beauty Treat brush. Let's go into this Rose by Beauty Treat. And pick up this dark color right here. I'm going to take that e.l.f. brush again. I'm going to place that on my lid. Let's go into this another LA color. Let's go into this gold right here. I also put it on the lid just to give it a little pop. Let's go into this 9 Natural by Nikika K. And let's take this color here. Like a gold color. I'm gonna also put that right here in the edge just to bring those colors out right here, but not the whole lid, just right there. And I'm also going to pop that gold into my inner corner using the same palette. I'm going to go back to the Perfect 23 palette. Just going to smoke my eyes out using this brown right here. So I'm going to take this eye crayon by the Colorworks. And I'm going to put that in my waterline. And it's gray. I'm going to take this LA Colors liquid eyeliner and create a wing. I'm going to take my LA Color black mascara and hit the top and the bottom of my lashes. This is the applicator, this is how it looks. So I went back into my beauty supply products drawer and I found some concealers and a primer because that's what I was looking for first, a primer. But yeah, I found some more concealers. I thought I had more concealers. This is the LA Colors face primer. So I'm gonna go into my LA Pro Girl concealer in orange to color correct. So I'm going to LA Color Radiant color chestnut. This is one full pump, it's a lot. Take my Beauty foundation brush and apply that. This is my Magic foundation brush. And LA girls have pretty good foundations. So I'm gonna take this contour stick. This is actually an eye crayon by the Workshop, and I'm going to just contour with that.
Finna run to the store and grab a pack of White House. Them optimals burn slow, they cut me right out.
I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild stiffening brush and blend it out. Matter of fact, I have this from the Dollar. This is Kiss New York. Let's just see how this blend out. Let's just see. It might be taken away, I think. Let me see, yeah, Wet n Wild brush. Let me see. Yeah, I think that was taking it out. I think this was absorbing the makeup, so. I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild brush again, and I'm going to just contour my nose. Take the light of Broadway.
So tight, just like a box. Smoking on Jamaica, call it bomber clock. Purple, Urkel, LSD. Too many different types of weed. Smoke so much, think I'm a tree. Think about.
And I'm gonna wet the sponge and see what it do for it's blended out.
Ride around with that toolie. Your boy be acting fooly, but that kush straight calms me down. That good weed, venture out and travel. Up there in Seattle, Bruce Banner get rattled.
Okay, it did an okay job blending out. LA Color makeup contour. And I'm gonna go ahead and use that, what is this, the Beauty Treat again. And I'm going there with that yellow color here and set where I highlighted at.
Now I'm here in Vegas. What happens here? I don't say shit. Cop that Maui Wowie. I'm turned up feeling.
To set my contour, I'm going to this RK by Kiss mineral powder here. It's an ebony. And I'm gonna take this RK brush to set that.
Break it down, then roll it up. Put the rest in that brownie, bruh. Indica and sativa, a good.
I'm gonna get into this blush here. This is from RK2. I'm going to take my Beauty Trick brush. This is the what? F01. And I'm going to go into this pink and orange.
Don't be acting like a buster blazer with me. Go ahead, nigga, purple hazel with me. No need to be acting.
But now I'm going to dust all this powder off. I'm going to set my face with the LA Girl Pro face instead of honey. I'm also going to set my nose using the same Art Kiss and Espresso. For highlight, I'm going to this Makeup Up Depot. This is the Ulta Beam highlighter. Ooh.
Finna run to the store and grab a pack of White House. Them optimals burn slow, they calm me right down.
For lips, I got this dark color. This is from who? This is from the Kika K2. This is NMS 15. Like a deep plum or deep purple.
Got me a pint of that Hennessy. She rolling up that blue cheese. Mix it in with Gorilla Glue.
You definitely can leave the look like this. But I am, I do a lot of highlighting. I like my skin to be a little light. So this is the Magic Ultra Shimmer Drops, Donation Drops. They are very pretty. And I got a couple of them. I'm just going to put that just in the middle, the center of my lips.
Too many different types of weed.
What you guys think? This is the finished makeup look, but hold on, I gotta use the setting spray. This is LA Girl setting spray. And let's see. Ooh. Well. Whew. It drowned me. So this is the finished makeup look. I'll be back with my hair and my earrings and all that little jazz. See you in a minute. So you guys, this is the finished look. And no, I am not finished with this wig. It's not that I'm lazy. It's just so much going on, but it's almost there. I almost got it to where I want it at. And soon as I finish it, you guys will know. So just have some patience with me because it's coming along. So yeah, guys, this is the finished look. This is the Beauty Supply makeup, and I look gorgeous in it. So this is affordable makeup. It's well blended makeup. Sometimes you gotta do a little bit more setting spray, a little bit more, putting more product on, but I didn't put very much product on, I don't believe. And I am really liking this dark look, smoky look. So you guys, if you like this video, hit that like button, hit that bell to notify you when I do upload videos, and most importantly, guys, subscribe to my channel. So until we see each other again, no grandma, Glamma.